Agriculture in India. Agriculture means the cultivation of land to grow crops for food and raw materials for industrial use. Agriculture also includes the raising of animals. Agriculture is the backbone of Indian economy. Nearly two-thirds of the people in our country earn their livelihood from agriculture. Agriculture has, thus, become one of the most important occupations in our country. It provides food for people and raw materials for industries. Our country has favorable climate, fertile soil, and irrigation facilities for growing crops throughout the year. India is popularly known as an agricultural country. Over 60% of India's land area is used for agricultural activities. The field used for growing crops is called an agricultural field. As India has different types of soil and climatic conditions, it can produce a variety of crops such as rice, wheat, millets, pulses, cotton, jute, tea, coffee, sugarcane, spices, oilseeds, etc. Crops are grown according to different weather conditions. There are two main crop seasons in India, Rabi season and Kharif season. Rabi crops are sown in winters and harvested in summers. For example, wheat, pulses, gram, barley, pea, etc. are Rabi crops. Kharif crops are sown in summers and harvested in winters. For example, rice, maize, cotton, jute, groundnut, etc. are Kharif crops. Different types of crops. Depending upon their usage, crops can be divided into two main categories. 1. Food crops, wheat, maize, rice, millets, pulses, etc. 2. Cash crops, sugar cane, tobacco, cotton, jute, oilseeds, etc. Food crops, crops that are grown for human consumption, are called food crops. Rice, wheat, barley, pulses, etc. are some of the examples of food crops. Rice. Rice is the staple food for people living in the southern and eastern parts of India. It grows well in a humid and wet climate with plenty of rainfall. Name of states: Assam, Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha, Kerala, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, and Chhattisgarh. Wheat. Wheat is the second most important food crop grown for the people living in the northern and western parts of India. It grows well in a cool and moist climate. It needs sunny and dry season while ripes. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh. Millets. Millets are also known as coarse grains or cereal grains that include ragi, jowar, and bajra. They are grown in the areas of less rainfall where rice and wheat cannot be grown. Name of states: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Andhra Pradesh. Pulses. Pulses are the eatable seeds. India is the largest producer and consumer of pulses. Pulses include moong, urad, masoor, and arhar. They increase the health of soil and use less water to grow. They are cultivated in almost every climatic conditions. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Rajasthan. Cash crops. Crops that are grown by the farmers for commercial gains or profit are called cash crops. Cotton, sugar cane, tea, coffee, oilseeds, and rubber are some of the examples of cash crops. Sugar cane. Sugar is made out of sugar cane. Sugar cane is the main source of sugar and jaggery, gur. India is ranked second for the production of sugar in the world. It grows well in a hot climate with average rainfall. Name of states: Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Assam, Haryana, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Cotton. Cotton is a soft fiber used for making cloths. It grows in the tropical and subtropical areas, having black soil. Name of states: Gujarat, Punjab, Maharashtra, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, and Karnataka. Jute. Jute is a long, soft, and shiny fiber used for making bags, carpets, clothes, and ropes. It grows well in a hot and humid climate with heavy rainfall. Name of states: Bihar, Assam, West Bengal, and Andhra Pradesh. Tea. Tea is a popular beverage crop of India. India is the world's second largest producer of tea. It grows well in the hilly areas, having hot and humid climate. Name of states: Assam, West Bengal, Kerala, and slopes of Nilgiri Hills of Tamil Nadu. Coffee. Coffee is the second most popular beverage of India. It grows well in a hot and humid climate. Name of states: Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Groundnut, an important oilseed of India. It grows best in the tropical climate and requires 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius temperature and 50 to 75 centimeters rainfall. Name of states: Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Rubber. Rubber is a milky white liquid produced from the rubber tree. It is used for making tires, insulators, tubes for vehicles, covers of electric cables, etc. India is the third largest producer of rubber. It grows well in a hot and humid climate with heavy rainfall. Name of states: Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Development of agriculture. Agriculture is the oldest occupation of mankind. In fact, agriculture forced human beings to stay at a fixed place. Thus, human civilization grew. India is the land of oldest civilization. The earliest form of agriculture was practiced in India. During the Vedic age, agriculture was the most important occupation of people. Rulers also took care of lands. In medieval India, the situation was almost the same. But the policy of the British East India Company ruined Indian agriculture. Most of the farmers became agricultural laborers or industrial laborers or were left without any occupation. After the independence, around 1960, government initiated the Green Revolution to boost the agricultural production of India. The Green Revolution brought a major transformation in the methods of cultivation and agricultural practices. The Green Revolution also introduced different varieties of high-yielding seeds, use of chemical fertilizers, and irrigation techniques. It increased the production of food grains, especially in Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh. This revolution changed the status of India from being a food-deficient country to food-efficient country. Apart from increasing the agricultural production, it also made the economy of India strong. The Green Revolution was carried out under the leadership of agricultural scientist M.S. Swaminathan. Livestock rearing. Livestock rearing refers to the raising of cattle for food and other purposes. Animals such as cows, buffaloes, goats, sheep, camels, and bullocks are known as cattle. India has the largest number of cattle in the world. Beside these, farmers also raise hens, duck, etc. This is called poultry farming. We get different things from animals. We get milk from cows, buffalo, camels, etc. We get eggs and meat from hens, ducks, etc. We get wool from sheep to make woolen clothes. We get meat of goat and sheep for human consumption. Skin of some animals are used to make leather items. Some animals are domesticated at different regions according to the different climatic conditions. Camels are very useful in dry and harsh conditions of the desert. Elephants are tamed and trained to work in the forest. Mules, ponies, and yaks are used as a means of transport in the hilly regions.